Here's the question of the day. Does Saw Palmetto make you pee more, male or female? Because this is an herb that's largely identified with men because of its extraordinary capabilities, among many, many other attributes. Not the only one, but one of the ones it's most famous for is this capacity for helping to treat prostate, enlarged prostate, whether cancerous or non-cancerous. But here we're looking at this idea of urination, male or female. And we're talking about Serenoa cerulata or Serenoa repen, and sometimes you'll see Sabal cerulata. So there you go, the three botanicals that'll commonly show up. And this is a plant that's largely found in the southeast United States. So it was very commonly used by the Seminole Native Indians. Now, from a Western, who live in that area, from that area. Now, from a Western perspective, this is going to be like a reproductive, lungs, thyroid. It has anti-inflammatory properties, antimicrobial properties, diuretic. There we go. There's your urination, your first clue, urination, because a diuretic helps you urinate. And in an Eastern traditional Chinese medicine perspective, we're talking kidneys and lungs. Kidneys, so not just the organs, of course, this is physical organs, but also mental, emotion aspects and spiritual. But we're looking here at some of its actions as pertains to tonifying Jing, which is your essence. It's that capacity to develop and grow in a healthy fashion from a small child into an adult, and tonifying kidney chi. The kidney chi is that kind of will help hold urine in, help move urination and toxicities out of the system, and of course reduces inflammation. Inflammation almost always can play a role in many kinds of ailments of one form or another, and certainly with urination. So Seminole Native Americans use this for urinary issues. And check this out. Saw Palmetto can increase the flow of urine. It can help treat dribbling. You know, when you just dribble little bits of urine, you're supposed to be through peeing and you're just getting little dribblies. Just urinary difficulties in general. Incomplete urination, you've gone, but you sort of still feel like there's some hanging around. Nocturia, fancy way of saying increased urination during the night. Frequent urination in general. So it's coming at it both sides. Difficulty and, too much. And both the saw palmetto berry and the seeds contain phenolic compounds and fatty acids that are also known to have important antimicrobial properties. And that's always important with urinary function, because sometimes this is what can lead to infections that cause inflammation, that can interrupt the flow of urination, or, clog it up, if you will. So the answer to the question, can saw palmetto help make you pee more? The answer is yes. And it can also help just get things regulated. So there you go. Saw palmetto, well worth checking out beyond just prostate problems.